Hello, I am Abhishek. Today I am going to present to you the implementation of ROS and Python in our project. Firstly, we need to open the terminal and enter into the Raspberry Pi of the Niryo One. To do that, we need to type in SSH Niryo at the assigned IP address. And we need to enter the password, which is robotis. As you can see, we are successfully logged in. Now we need to create a folder, or also known as directory. To do that, we need to type mkdir and then assign name for directory. As you can see here, the folder is present. Next, we need to enter into the directory. Now we need to create a file, a Python file. To do that, we need to type in touch and the Python file name. As you can see, we have successfully create a Python file, but it's not an executable file since it's in white color. Now we are making it to an executable file. To do that, we need to change the mode. To change the mode is chmod plus x copyboard. As you can see, the file now is an executable file. It's in green. Now we need to open the file we have created. To do that, we need to type in nano. Now, as you can see, I have done the code, and we just need to do is copy and paste it. As you can see, we have pasted the code in, and all the points are assigned are in this code. Now I'm going to present to you our Python code. As you can see here, we have imported some libraries that's needed and also defined some variables. Firstly, to start our code, we deactivate the learning mode, which is also known as activating all the motors. Next is the robot will move to the starting point. As you can see here, these three values are the x and y and axis, and this is row, pitch, yaw. And this is for the starting point. And you can see later is point 1, and it's the same thing. And for each successful point reached, we can see that it prints the coordinates. And you can see the second point, the third point, the fourth point, and the fifth point, and sixth, and the last point is the end point. After everything I've done, it will deactivate all motors, which is also known as activating the learning mode. Now we can run the code. As you can see, we type in Python and the assigned name of the file. As you can see on the right hand side of the screen, we can see the robot is moving. Now the robot is calibrating. Okay, this is the starting point, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and fifth point, and lastly in the end point. And this is all the post coordinates are shown here, as you can see, for every point. And that's all from me. Thank you.